In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams to your email signature. This simple step-by-step guide will take you about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a polished and professional look to your emails that invites your contacts to chat with you directly on Teams. This is a great way to streamline communication and encourage more interactive, real-time discussions with colleagues or clients right from your email signature. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you're in, simply search for Outlook. This will lead you to the main web page where you'll be able to manage your emails. Go ahead and open the official link for Outlook. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to log in using your credentials. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable and double-check your login details. Now that you're inside Outlook, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. In the drop-down that appears, you'll find Account Info. This is your gateway to manage various settings related to your email account, including your email signature. From there, select Signatures. This will open up a signature configuration window showing any existing signature you have, as well as options to create new ones. In this window, you'll notice a button labeled New if you want to create a completely fresh signature. Otherwise, feel free to choose an existing signature if you're planning to simply add the Teams feature without starting from scratch. Now comes the crucial step. You need to paste a specific URL into the address field of your signature. The URL you'll be working with is https://teams.microsoft.com/l chat00 users, your email address. Here's the key. Replace your email address with your actual email address. Doing this ensures that when someone clicks the link, it directly opens a chat with you on Teams. Be precise with these details to ensure the link functions correctly, directing contacts straight to you. In the signature editor, you have the opportunity to make this invitation even more personable. Type some clickable text, like "Chat with me on Teams." Select the text you've just typed, and in the editor's ribbon, you'll see an option to insert a hyperlink. Click on that. You should see a box labeled Address, or sometimes Link. Make sure it contains the link you customized a bit earlier. Once you've confirmed it's there, hit OK to finalize. With these steps completed, your email signature is now outfitted with a direct link inviting your recipients to start a conversation with you on Microsoft Teams. Save your changes and close the signature editor. Now, whenever you draft an email, you'll have a professional signature that encourages open communication. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your email communication seamless and more interactive.